Hello friends, I am Kishore, your Ganit Mitra. Today I am going to discuss with you one question from Maharashtra State exam December 2013. Subject is linear algebra. And here is the question. Let W1 and W2 be two subspaces of a finite dimensional vector space V. And let dimension of W1 plus dimension of W2 is greater than dimension of V. Then, first option, W1 intersection W2 is 0. This implies W1 intersection W2 is a zero space. W1 intersection W2 is, that means W1 intersection W2 is non-zero space. W1 intersection W2 is equal to pi, which is never possible. W1 union W2 is equal to V. Now we'll see the answer. Let us assume that dimension of V is n. Given that dimension of W1 plus W2 is greater than dimension of V, that means dimension of W1 plus W2 is greater than n, because we have assumed that dimension of V is n. Now we know W1 plus W2 and W1 intersection W2 are subspaces of V. Therefore their dimensions of W1 plus W2 and W1 intersection W2 are less than or equal to n, because they are subspaces of V. Now we know dimension of W1 plus W2 is equal to dimension of W1 plus dimension of W2 minus dimension of W1 intersection W2. So we'll interchange these two. Okay, we'll interchange these two. So we can write dimension of W1 intersection W2 is equal to dimension of W1 plus dimension of W2 minus dimension of W1 plus W2. Now, so dimension of W1 intersection W2 is equal to dimension of W1 plus dimension of W2, which is greater than n, that is given to us. Okay, here we have given, and dimension of W1 plus W2. W1 plus W2 is a subspace of V, so its dimension is less than equal to n. Correct? So now here we have one number which is greater than n, and we have another number which is less than equal to n. So their subtraction is always positive quantity. Correct? We have one number which is greater than n, and we have one number which is less than equal to n. So their subtraction is always some positive integer. Hence the dimension of W1 intersection W2 is positive integer. This implies that W1 intersection W2 is a non-zero subspace of V. Hence W1 intersection W2 is not equal to 0. Hence the option P is correct option. Now W1 intersection W2 is not equal to pi, which is impossible, because W1 intersection W2 at least 0 vector, because they are subspaces of V. So their intersection is at least 0 vector. So this option is wrong. Now W1 union W2 is equal to V. W1 union W2 need not be a subspace of V. It is subspace, either one of them is a subspace of other. Then and then only W1 intersection W1 union W2 is equal to V. So which is not possible. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment.